transfer services are Western Union. Any dia kanyina beka momo so wo yebi.
Okay, but just 5 of their branches.
Head office no kunsu yoso. Swame chakwa mekuru bako ho tepa ena poku krum. Mamefa other phone no kura enso so preku. Mankranso kunsu empasaso. Any the most current one kura ye wo ebuakwa.
Mama Munzama Apon, Premier Rural Bank PLC contestant. Finally, one numbers
020-998-1738. Website www.thepremierbank.com. Email info@thepremierbank.com.
Now my verdict. Until further notice, I have no Premier Rural Bank PLC. The best rural bank in Ghana. Congratulations. I have no Premier Rural Bank PLC. Growing together.
I'm walking about loss in the center. Loss in the way bitters no. Ayensa enedu. Na di nti adodo na adwe ene omunchiri mu no. Etese eye enduru ene se. Alcohol ena me di yeye. Na nokure wo ni se yehwe kunhina obaade ehisa so e dia Africans na ya na sebi ebo madwen ene meti ase so hwe yemfa die be efe ne se kokwama eyedua enane amamaya adoso ewo nipa wuntim waposo wo joint baby kokwama na dwuma no ebi olosin bites ma me chewa de bi ye wodua bi a ho ye fe no asase hwam ene oba ko bi ye fe ne damana wodi ye adura na se wo ye bema na se ko wuntim ana so mogya mu a emema na yentin no a wo se mogya efem na di afusane na masabio wo bema no eduru me bi etime swale enya ahoɔden no saa damnam na yes edu so ye bema na se wonum saa delay bites ni bia saa damnam ebi wom hwɛ akomoyɛ ɛyɛ honam ye wa group akomoyɛ so what the yes sabio ensa na eduro na se ko ni pedwe na se wonum a emani pedua no ekuro bi wo bi ekuno me dey de kwame adwumandua ebere bi na meda emo wan ne mani ate me call baby ekobuso om se mentwa mojaduro na me moja na so ate menum mojaduro na so store na de ye me ana ye me timi ko hu me nipa bi no ye se mentwa delay bites timi try delay bites no afi na meda menum a masa me gina me na so pa ama me yere de me nkwan nso nko
ye from me Janet Ajima me be restaurant e wo anwa kwanta na man se me ho bi aba oso pe losing the way bitters bitters ben ti mi ko to bi bai na mba ye de wi ankofo asi atu aguso na msi no menti ase na mo se de ye ma won no na me ana me nim the way no sitie ana me try bi hweye na me try ye no na me wo menstrual pain mu flow no e ba ye ni ayi me nyina ba kama adwuma me ye nso me sisi yare ni ayi nyina ejai
what bia bi mu na se titil na mwa ni ndi e wo wiase no abrabo ma no mo sabe ti se losing the way bitters en na be do asoma ma
ata fm na na amabons me no mo say am da me ti mi di so ye di ho adanse ma Ghana na nyina won so bia no the way bitters na no na be boa wo
losing the way bitters a quality product every losing herbal center no me nyasemu enye se woton ma apemfo ana nkoda a won di fie du wotre se wo pedudu wetu a frɛ 0248619999.
Layman Betes and sa 20 Coco Amine ni diahuro bebrehini ni adia ye shebi enya woni foforo
The Wisco World Ventures air conditioner papa fee ye wo air conditioner brand bia ebiti se Samsung Shigo ene de keka ho wo de afre ye e ka ne ope ye beba be frisi ama wo de de wo mu kra ne se uto air conditioner e wo ye ho a ye fixi man free ni asam ma 1 year warranty a eno no se se ya ye beba be siesie e de ama wo ba cho wo si fie dada na se wiring no ya nye ama air conditioner wo de afre ye se wo si fie awie na afa na wo be wiring no a fra ye yemanya house wiring ma yemfa pipe ni bibia tutum said ye beya dachi bia so pese wo air conditioner on sam mo ka foforo enkofa electrician ye air conditioner mo ndi fonti se wo air conditioner ni bi dada na ha wo net ase ya fra ye ne beba be ye ho ho adwuma edi ama wo ya shada hwehwe mu apɛ air conditioner papa etimi bomb from makamo oto ebo fie ana wadwuma mu a ɛhyɛ ma wo na enye dede kai say ye free installation ya wadum ya be kasapra director Dauda Ibrahim ewo 0244 021372 and 0265 165 383 Dawusko World Ventures air conditioner mu numero 0509549760.
Bohobio is politics. Bohobio is on Hello FM. Bohobio, Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. on Hello FM with your host, Samson Kwame Nyamiche. Let's talk politics. Bohobio, Monday and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Hello FM with Samson Kwame Nyamiche. Bohobio.
I,
John Dramani Mahama,
do in the name of mighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance
and allegiance
to the Republic of Ghana
to the Republic of Ghana
as by law established,
that
I will uphold
and that I will uphold
the sovereignty and integrity of Ghana, and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. So help me God.
I, John Dramani Mahama,
having been elected to the high office of President of the Republic of Ghana, do in the name of the Almighty God swear that I will be faithful and true to the Republic of Ghana, that I will at all times preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, and that I dedicate myself to the service and well-being of the people of the Republic of Ghana, and to do right to all manner of persons. I further solemnly swear that should I at any time break this oath of office, I shall submit myself to the laws of the Republic of Ghana, and suffer the penalty for it. So help me God.
She's a rich girl, she don't try to hide it. Diamonds on the soles of her shoes. He's a poor boy,
Bohobio is politics.
empty as
Bohobio
a
is on Hello FM.
empty as a
Bohobio,
pocket,
Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. on Hello FM.
She got diamonds on the soles of her
Bohobio, Monday and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Hello FM.
man, you was your phone in our joke. One in penny phone in a card, and there's more do K for K, our town. Others will be a hundred dollars to a hay.
Sure.
That is what Tampa and the Yura, don't watch it. And then what there? What the Yakin guys loves there. Hey! And that, and there was some more in the Haya, Manaya. You are cannot obey the master planner. Said it was here such a no. Yeah, the apostle. Now, Dr. Lost here, then I say. Madras to me a pa. Oh, and what day a year, Lord Mr. Bay, said to malaria, and I feel good to with you, and I feel very infinite. Nina, be a quay pa, or more than a jody, delay my capsule, dear peace war, and me vitality. Bema, a bay you man lose one count away. Now face suppress problems, Nina never causes the pocket to be and to be muda. Lost about Mr. No dear peace war, and no sooner busia malaria, till the idea titty or pa, ni pass cook on the fiber. Ah! Try if you need, come on. But what did I need calling like Miss Yeba? Then he bad fragments have made and happy than Kina. That's a lot say, you know, how nobody knew. 0242 133 577.
Yeah, I say. I was a specialized company limited and so am I super unknown. I would use your papabi and then specialized mineral water. The coming soon the dead. In so I wouldn't want yet. I'll be an specialized mineral water. Yeah, was sachet dear one to a moon command and Temunia Sia. The Sans 190 liter jar to come with CCA offices and the horse. How do I able be unknown? In super dear specials, you see program be as in so. Yeah, there's some ya ho you feel for any specialized mineral water. I feel yes, our special drinks. Yeah, was special energy. Obra bobina honimra. Special Fanta, special cola, grape, cocktail, and green. Nina busu just so ye pebiatua. The beko kuchum kranza or bossy ya so. Now for young friend 0501301228.
I feel your toe. Current house. One Miss Ashanti region beyond the deer. One one the cast, no one of you. No one dear I. Casa Papa would be good to their 4x4 coast country, Pajaros ni Highlanders ni, and Land Cruisers. Type Ben Pana pay. Ah, and Mulina Land Cruiser 200, 300, 400, Nina Dalco big DO2, a Hopper Pepper, Edioto, Ubinina, so award winning, Yen we no, Shanty Regina, Car Rentals of the year 2024, Janie Fire, Janie Fire, Edioto. Miss Rupi, what's so good now yet? Engagement now yet, and we be our person you your candy dear when your bank dear. Who between you be rafford me now and a fizzy CRVs. Nina Eka movie. DVLA Johnson Hayada, once or do near the airport on about Kumasi Children's Home, one more now. Ah, cast next time. I want to make a boost office no. Adio 2, while you Francis Adams, who Rahan Kobonkomo. Will number near 026643. 9327 Oflo Brunia Ebon Komosi 0266439327 and after 0244063391.
Did I say I was your Jaga 4 bitters near come from Mama and singing that we a Tabia Company Limited for and I Jaga 4 bitters a giafa a younger Senfidimo and Dubra Papa and Hama. And the Diafra fry ye. Na send ye see Ginny D. Creamo and Yasem Kuma, among Fanum big in I say, and the energy of Bass Sansuchi and where dear, and my way den Shannon to say, we will be our Sissy Yaoya na Juya, beside Jaga 4 bitters, Pebinom Adienchino, now Sissy Joe, now Cron. I feel bear my premature ejaculation, Teteo, which moves our horn then a buffompem, and the Geno Assan. Mr. Shannon to say, so per se energy ba, anti me do mensem, every ye, and me for me ra, serve you and a pan you ready. Let you say Jaga 4 bitters no, and no air one son, as answer your wardrobe, and what you cook my yimbo boom be, so how you know me free ho, I feel a map was Miss Swam, what tea yow, how my future chromo, while I went to me the dear one more tour, so per appetite no dear, Jaga 4 bitters man mail, or Bawa fell thrown in your map of front of 4, and in your own fish, I do what chain, and I ain't come, oh no more, I'm sorry, no one crack, bonise, drink responsibly, maybe a ton send beer crum habura. Na Jaga 4 bitters.
And I know. Oh, say simple. Yes, that's the PM near Bohobio no Brasson. Merci beaucoup. You have a to say.
She got diamonds on the soles of her shoes. Well, that's one way to lose these walking blues. Diamonds on the soles of your shoes. She's just physically forgotten the next. Slipped into my pocket with my car keys. She said, you've taken me for granted because I please wearing your style. And I can say, ooh, as if everybody knows what I'm talking about. As if everybody would know exactly what I was talking about. You're talking about diamonds on the soles of your shoes.
Hello, 101.5 FM Cassette Diesel. A Jordan who got on your media. If you know what you copy, non do. Brad is a crook, something coming, a mature and no be such a one no be tabby. Or Bripa Tapam. Yadomo boy, didn't start an answer in Nino. Or pussy on your pussy in your cathedral was such a man. Bohobio, I both flatter 101.5 FM too.
Conditions of the report to be carefully studied, and where legal action and investigations are warranted, they will be pursued without fear or favor. Every person recovered will be channeled back into national development, and mechanisms will be strengthened to prevent such losses in the future. I have promptly handed over the reports to the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, and I give him firm instructions to commence immediate investigations into the cases reported in here, with a view to prosecuting anyone found liable for corruption or related offenses. To those who think they can defraud the state and escape justice, let this serve as a strong warning. Ghana is no longer a safe haven for corruption. To those who stand for integrity, accountability, and the rule of law, I assure you that this government remains your steadfast partner in building a nation where honesty and hard work are rewarded. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a defining moment in our fight against corruption. We must all play our parts, citizens, civil society, the media, and public officials alike.
As Minister for Energy and Green Transition, currently my vision is simple. I want all the 1,346 containers accounted for. 1,346 containers. Whatever it takes, I'll bring those containers to where they ought to be. Mr. Speaker, let me set the record straight. And if my good friend, Professor, will listen to me, there's not been any inconsistency. At the transition committee, Honorable Yarga was there. They gave us a figure of 3,000. Then they told us it had incurred demurrage of 1.5 billion. I was sworn into office on the 17th. On the 24th, I visited the harbour. At the harbour, I was told the containers were 2,500. That is what aroused my suspicion. I didn't say at the harbour that the containers are 2,500. I couldn't have counted 2,500 containers instantaneously. And so from 24th, I went to greet the president on 27th. And by 31st, I had established this committee. There was media coverage. And we took Professor Senyo. He's a trusted procurement expert. The report was submitted just this week. It was during the presentation of the report that the committee told me that contrary to the figures they were giving you, over 1,300 containers cannot be accounted for. These are the facts and nothing but the facts. Let's look at these are the facts. So those who are on social media and trying to play the political game, let me assure you, it will not deter me. Yesterday, when President Mahama called me, his message was simple. Jinapo, you have my full backing, go the full throttle. And that is exactly what we are doing. We've already arrested some Chinese nationals. We are on the trail of some Indian nationals who have bolted. But you know, this is a house of record. And so I'm being very, very cautious. I've received a lot of briefing. And I'm getting to know those who are behind it. This has been going on for years. I will stop that and it will stop right now.
Maya this year. Bohobio me adwumadi a yɛde brɛ mu wɔ Hello 101.5 FM kasa fidie so. Adwada no ukoda nwumre bia. Efi no wɔtwe kɔpem no ndu. Bra de se kronkron Samson Kwame Nyameche ano bi se tia wo no bi ntabi. Obri patapram. Nyadomo bo a yɛde ne sade na nso yɛ ne ninam. Opusu onyi ni pusu nyakate adwam wo sa chia me ho. Bohobio ɛyɛ bon frɛta ɛwɔ 101.5 FM so.
Well, that's one way to lose these walking blues. Diamonds on souls issues. She was physically forgotten, and then she slipped into my pocket with my car keys. She said, "You've taken me for granted because I please wearing his diamonds." And I could say, ooh, as if everybody knows what I'm talking about. As if everybody would know exactly what I was talking about. I'm talking about diamonds on the soles of shoes.
Maya this year. Bohobio me adwumadi a yɛde brɛ mu wɔ 101.5 FM kasa fidie so. Adwada no ukoda nwumre bia. Efi no wɔtwe kɔpem no ndu. Bra de se kronkron Samson Kwame Nyameche ano bi se tia wo no bi ntabi. Obri patapram. Nyadomo bo a yɛde ne sade na nso yɛ ne ninam. Opusu onyi ni pusu nyakate adwam wo sa chia me ho. Bohobio ɛyɛ bon frɛta ɛwɔ 101.5 FM so.
Bohobio is politics. Bohobio is on Hello FM. Bohobio, Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. on Hello FM with your host, Samson Kwame Nyameche. Let's talk politics. Bohobio, Monday and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. Hello FM with Samson Kwame Nyameche. Bohobio.
Bohobio ampa abɔ no ɔtwe apa ho sima no aduasa ɛnnan pɛpɛɛpɛ 8:34 and then 23rd of April 2025. Bohobio adwumadi ne brɛ ɛna edu adwada bia no kwere bia ne yɛde brɛ wo emra yɛde na poso abawie. Yɛfrɛ me Samson Kwame Nyameche ɛnɛ anadwe Honorable Professor Kingsley Nyako, Member of Parliament for Kwadaso, Mr. Jackson Pra Dari, NDC Communication Team Member and Marketing Practitioner, Mr. Yadom Boati, Educational Political Analyst. But you for me in some way, any new Mushia. Production team can enter me in the Mazza Pramako, so you know, only bring out fast many DJ Maju or more and I share you. The social media platforms in your life, with my share Facebook near Hello 101.5 FM, Instagram here at Hello 101.5 FM, Twitter here at Hello 101.5 FM, TikTok here at Hello 101.5 FM. YouTube at Despite Media, WhatsApp 0265170336. Join here. Emra, edit Bohobio adwumadi, edit April, and Semoni Mwamuni, and Semaba, Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana, President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, suspending our SWAT committee. Based on petitions Sakai, Birma Kasa, Birma Chiro Magani, Na Adjin Treno, MPP, minority, Omakasem, members within the civil society, so Aka, Wamo, Ensem, Omachiro Magani, members of the ruling party, so Ibn Sachiroma. Also, I drink what they buy back in kind. Now, since Fourth Republic, this is the first time one arm of government. There were three arms of government. There were the executive, President Dano. There were the parliament or legislature, parliamentarians, and a speaker, so Edan, and you were the judiciary, and not chief justice, or not any Dano, but judges in a society. Maybe say, here is Sai Che, a Abwat Jata, and Usa, and a yen, Unia, but she. If this is oh. Nanya provisions in our constitution, a woman say, and also
Omo akyerɛ omo adwene ɛmfo. Nti nana di ɛne mpanyinfoɔ ɛkasa na yɛbɛhwɛ Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Mefi sɛ ɔmampanyin wɔ so ɔyɛ no gya ne kwan. Adwuma no ɛsesere no ɔntumi nyɛ. Anaasɛ aban no nyinaa so na ntumi nya no waka. Minister ne voice wɔ ha ɛmɔ ama kofibu a ne voice ne wɔ ha. Monya ne yɛmmɔ. Bɛyɛ few months ago na ɔse yɛn declare state of emergency ɛwɔ mining areas ne nyinaa yɛ hɔ kyerɛ. Ene ɔmampanyin okɔ lobby ɔmampanyin ehu mɔbɔ ɔde asɛyɛ na ma ɔkɔyɛ press conference na wotumi usu sesɛ yɛn kasa na minister ne ho sɛ ɔntumi nyɛ n'adwuma ɔn resign me say yɛn obi yɛn susɔ saa nsɛm no so wɔ Ghana ha o few months ago wotu hɔ ɛbɔ gumbe sɛ obi na ɛyɛ galamsey ɛyɛ obi ɛyɛ president na na do yɛ president nti no wɔno na yɛ galamsey yɛn nyinaa yɛ kan yɛde yalo tum sɛ galamsey no deɛ ɛkɔ no nyɛ wokan bi ɛnɛ yɛde tumi no ama wakɔ akɔkye nkurɔfoɔ bi na wɔama wɔn kaki ahyɛ so wɔn na ɛkɔkye obi a okura tuo bomb action sɛ yɛn nsuo wankasa constituency ɛlɛmbɛ kɔkɔrɛ na wokɔ samra boy na wokɔ revoke obi license a galamsey nyinaa wɔwie ara wankasa wo party chairman and your constituency but one of the in the same enclave soldier for couldn't for this soldier for one penny that now who minister for lands and nature we are as well Mr. Sadian but me play the trouble one cast 7 years 6 months ago see in the state of emergency and the galamsey Kumasi do cry in over your press conferences. Who's one? What do you mean? What you want? Resign. So, yeah, on my penny court parliament. The last address, okay, can't watch it. She said, we have total failure for 8 years. Why, yes, she President Eddie Tuminama said, Jasway and Galamsey, who say, Yen declare state of emergencies. About 6 months ago, 5 months ago, here I saw over here press conference. Who is fighting him for? Near so also. Shit. Opa. What your opposition? Okay, so make a cast when you to me now. Baby, Oko Zoo, Odin Zoo. I didn't hear when you were before you so near my father so Sunday man. Me also so Sunday man so. Politicians or me say MPP for 2 sector be a muntu bi nya bi amobebo ngumbe da che mo ba na mo kai be catch them then you be catch them they be try so say oh me kan bi a na man for the can be ye di tumi na ma o man pe ye di tumi na ma ontimi a o man pe yin mfa ya wa wan kasa yi nwadi ye so answer no so wo Ghana yes politician they be a mo kan se ma muntu nya afi mo ba de da mo kan mo say mo kaka afi ene Mustafa Bandi or deputy there. Who say and then you declare state of emergency investors in back. Now no the another Ghana and no more Kasai or declare state of emergency. No to the investors. And now man Ghana the man for being Kwasa or the best Gatswana. Oh you declare investors in back. Now Mokasa Ghana and Ubia Masa Ubia Chesad and Munya the right thing. Yes, I gumbi na mo boy na. Be boss.
Bohobio is politics. Bohobio is on Hello FM. Bohobio Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. on Hello FM with your host Samson Kwame Nyamiche. Let's talk politics. Bohobio Monday and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Hello FM with Samson Kwame Nyamiche. Bohobio
am Pachama General Dasi. Mr. Yadam Bajakaba.
So Samson.
If you have a corner,
Yamiado being in here.
Then Yamias,
sorry, Kakako, in my rate.
Divine aspect in the Sunyaba. Yabasunia by a Belgiuma.
And no correct.
Deepa, the mayor pa. Yes, Yabe. Jackson Aquaba.
Yamiamia.
Oh, yeah.
Yamiadum.
We are sharing microphone. Yes,
Yamiadum, me who ya pa.
The Yamias.
Adumodum ya adepachi in Quadia. Sabisani Alka and your Belgiuma. And this quad, the abonio. Yeah, where you my yo, yeah, where you mo. Tino be never see us. Yeah, yeah, where you my dada. No one you go so
Prof.
Yeah. Sorry.
K for K.
K for K.
K for K.
Kingsley for Quadaso.
Still maintain.
I tell you. No shaking.
Quad also fortunate though. Also break his hard jeans and on 1, 2 now we got K for K. Quad also for.
And that's saying.
Nyamiado.
Share your check.
Yakasa.
Biba show is such.
Send them a tear say so the banner as a condition be near the end of what? Condition be.
Offer the most and no. Me to me dodge it. As a member. What's up with your phone here?
Nyamiado be away.
Oh, yeah, she now.
Actually, oh, easy.
I hope so. A ban regional minister, Amobaya, or somewhere now.
Decent place.
Because I have been. Private persons and political actors, especially the NPP, and I'll be in this.
Yeah, contributions, no.
Yes. So I think that because on time any see, you know.
Yeah.
Honorable Bohobio.
Subi MP. Yeah.
Or make a statement on the floor of the house.
Yeah.
And contribute to that statement. And we work on the budget.
Okay.
And we can say Kabaya and Kabine Emfa Bibishim Nanka Sami Enfant Kushin
victims.
Kaya Lakamanye. But a good say. Second Deputy Speaker, Honorable Formina. I refer statement not to the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. So now I'm for recommendation. Emra. I hope say recommendation only for subing market fires. So say BC or quite also.
Yeah, BC and protection mines also.
And Swami. And I said I bet me a benasi. So because I mean almost every year, especially January. February,
March,
AC. Now yentimi, MNC. Yentimi for a crowd. Na mencha, quite so far. Chobia.
Jackson.
Yeah.
As some of that point, say in Sanko Kumotimu Mopo. As I mean, Abbey. I didn't say anything.
Yeah, and some of them say, Ben cut out the my
but I'm Chief Justice.
Chief Justice, and American, me share him saying, same topics me in back on A and B, and say the same. Minority concerns are Mokai. Na me fa akwanya so no machia at NDC for a hwe program nyina. Ni Ghana for a hwe program no mutie program nyina so. Na minchia Regional Chairman Augustus Nanakwesi. Na me welcome ye nua Kenzuba. Awabe Kumasi Mayo. He has been a long time friend in the media. Nsusu kakra. Why media Jumana into what say Jumana say from that perspective. Inti Zuba so abe in the nisu adi hunu a wode woma Kumasi, the greater Kumasi. No nsusu no yebebo na chidom. Amana ye fe. Ekwan ni mfimfini ne de. Or say a started congestion will be antomade or quaning finfin. O pepe baby agina no wa page na. And sana yebeba. Usori fi ona sa betra o dia. Ene kakra be ko redeem cause o ya poncha so brache.
Kakra be ka hwan redeem.
Kakra be kwa obe gira quaning finfin.
Asama wa kan onu aka se o. Enye sa no e wo sa o.
Sa me na me ka se.
Jesem obebo obi.
Pato tie mi o. A quine no finfin ye ni dwa wo.
Yeah, you support on two support ye.
On my 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Pe baby wura. So say pridu. Ne di plicate ti asase. Enti pe baby wura. Na quine finfin ye ma ni dwa. Be a bedroom you be 6 million 7 months wonam.
Ye was dramatic. Ne okay aye me chese ye nyina ye be support.
Emmo
ye be support. But ne only suffer na me say.
I know they are media.
We are not in jungle. We are not in jungle.
There be utias.
We are primitive time.
No. Una would define as primitive. That is your opinion.
No. So be asked for there's bylaws. Bylaws which say may and to and the so what I ask for the now bylaws no are prescribable. But being in our laws, ya prescribable say you be canoe. And the name of the can you best support to KM Zuba. Sir, there will announcement on family me as a general manager. May ya actually me free. You best support to bet. Sad the name and crophobic can be killed. Primitive era.
And yet primitive.
Make action.
That is your opinion.
And your opinion.
What is primitive about this?
Move from that place. Obi.
81 to say catcher was saying, I will not be primitive enough, say catcher was saying. A planning 15 there at a brack. And toward the Okwani 15.
So there's a law. There's a law. Let's say we are for dear.
Yeah.
What kind of bylaws? Bylaws, even a woman say, will be and you
say you send your prepare like a craft with you. And the idea down.
Oh, I see.
Who prepare? One can't over trouble. Woo. Maybe I buy a word for you. Why do you say you're condemned near over Sabato? Ring a beswa between the and you're not anybody a fan of so penia and like a crab for a chino.
Okay.
Aha! We are subracha dia. Kaka for a TV, almost 1 year and the Bayak, no Comwada. To Adaroma. My main call and commotion. Mijidi say, tea, minion mumpany for me no more tea panel issue. Minia Emma and Comophobia say, John Domini Mahama, and I'm more what you. Our dear, as suspended Chief Justice, he is well within his constitutional obligations. And I'm more what you. Timidity is a minion of a panel issue in by Yadrin say on Formumra by law. So, what article 146 plus 1 now basic clause 11 now. Or say, baby, High Court, baby, Supreme Court judges, and as a regional tribunal chairman. Why am from Swania the petition abanedie? And not the Chief Justice and a president of the day ever refer case Naman say establish a premier fashion within this petition. Now say assembly when you are Chief Justice and ever form a committee. Now provisional train say so petition by say for Chief Justice now who they are. Say for Chief Justice, they can hear. Say petition for Chief Justice. Nimianum a judge from penny for a can. So mumu be near the queer do have a fan who they are. And you know why a judge for you penny no. Wanona President Mahama, Eddie Crat and Bemano. Now why you him where we say you so moi was Yabejaku Amomatrasi. And the constitution, in fact, from verse 6 neighbor and also train say Asamna Casa for President for Chief Justice now who they are. One way moon year born do dia. And yana President Mahama, I was say, one Council of State, Edin Shemu. Na so moon is assembly when you are swa. And I'm say, to me, enquety, emra, munsem kayebit says a legal principle. Say, you cannot be a judge in your own case. Esana would violate rules of natural justice. And you can say, Nemo Judas in Cosa Swa. Won't want to mean your judge or our semu. And to was some the foul, no. Why won't mean sign panel members moment to assembly and foul? It is assembly for Chief Justice Mundia. Chief Justice now to me, any Abejako, a moment when I say, and ye be an awkward in for would this one can be a mawu. Means that you are flouting the rules of natural justice. Nemo Judas in Cosa Swa. Nase, ye ban say for who they are, Sam and 70. I was a president and a power bejaku near her unsemu. Nase, and Semuno so kono. Ye be your unsemuno. A yama president to say, or do be sin chain. Na the ame that was 70 in say. Clause 11, the last part, I say, say a dwan some in movie, in fact, verse 10, no, Mr. Verse 10, clause 10, the my and sir, and my president, sir, 2 minutes per man to suspend. Now, say, ye bo a bit of forcia, now bone crona, one also a dear son by bone near we, now say, Madame Ketujokun, Chief Justice, Nin Samuel Wakanu, a moody, Abawum, and so papa womua, and Macquarie do a diabon in Naswa. President no best sound so reinstate no. Now one and no suspension and dano so no. Na se ba ne say ye boawie na say won sam ne wunyi ado a wode ba ye no antinya nso ma nso ansa. Eno de na che say wa wo efo na wudi ye no toa so ama wakofia ne sa. Enti say President Mahama ejina mra yi so Article 146 Clause 1 na basic clause 11. Now what the year you may be at. Meaning, yes, sir. The betting adane a chinie bia we fidie so enanimre. To President Mahama, he has acted in good faith. He has acted in consonance with the Constitution. And I was so at the pere yo asaye juma. Omuanefo. Emrane se a case for Chief Justice one ye nyini sinchai. No me kanasem. O kanasem wie na se ninsem ni gyina so ninsem no mu odu na wo nyina so a president ensa reinstating no enti wutirim fa ya nti amoa enku kotra nchen na we na ma MPP for asem omo eye ne ye menwanwa sans MPP omo nye chief justice spokesperson no ma be condemn ade ye explicitly clear e wo constitution mu na mejiri ese mi nua panyi prof wahai ono so ye lawmaker a woni mmra no se ne tie no mo anim pefese se na mmra ne ka na Mahama President Mahama de ye adwuma na no minority asore gina say omo condemn na amount to judicial tyranny and deviation from good governance. Hey, and then MPP for better good governance in Huasem. Any judicial tyranny. Sa sitrapa we ma refie MPP amanyoko na ne de omoka judicial tyranny e wa asem we hu na wo mu refi se wo mu mom na be ya ade bi e fe ne se judicial cacophony wo mu no mu perpetuate judicial cacophony etia Ghana me ba me mani free ade court di obi ebu court ka asem a e wo nyina so obi atie MPP abai led by Nana Akufo-Addo ya me nua panyi Professor Chris Nyako ka ho High Court timima Gregory Afoko bail na Nana Addo asa church na motum ontie ne court aka yes
Bacho Chief Justice say what we know what do we
me the way America plus the second one America say MPP is being hypocritical on this matter.
Adaroma, opinion. I'll kafa Chief Justice mean take it from you.
Yes.
Maybe I may bum. Sa particular case you mention. On say Jackson ye a matter of opinion. We are not having the problem. Sure. Once I initiate, I will be a farm. Yeah. But say, Obi, Yesu say, police for Obi Kwedu near the court. Not court my bail. Ye my bail, your conditions. I was at the fact that said, judge, I'm a bail. And she said, well, meet the conditions. Ye be more coffee. And ye can't ask them now. Dina will mention yes for a Gregor Meboa. Or only Dina, or also your pause, Anna. So on the yes, and your Paul Gregory, only a Gregory, yeah, Afuku, okay, yes, Paul, and a brother, aha. Sasa, I'm off work. Memus cross will be chill peace.
Yeah,
it's three. Yen I cock as a journalist, Namiadum, Messume cockota, may report to a court. In preppy, we call. Na oma be argument both side lawyers na be omo ye wi dia court say budget maybe na mom conditions no when metia yama bail nso bedam just asem no high court be enu a obema obi bail a president be fa phone afre judge and say judge why my bail nso mentia say nipa na fair to the fact.
So I'm being fair, say, some bail conditions, and doesn't lie within the police to determine which bail conditions. Ube make you argument to any concern money bail.
Judge in the court in the bail conditions.
Court no
ma. Enforce no police for. So police for na ye na. Omo na na say attorney general in this case say a public versus that king. And omo na say, ube meet the court can one meet yana.
And there's no way the story about Bonten say court a jam na court na there was no condition. There tell Sake say you follow kakra. Conditions no uko court wa. Who make you case, prosecution making case, defense making case. As I'm not traveled for so long. And until baby do and I was say money bail. Within the context of every crime is bailable and human right violation.
But subject to, so I don't know, including but I subject to. So when meet the conditions are.
Conditions no, it's not spelled out by the police.
No, me just say judge in an court.
Judge no na make judge no conditions or the bail no. Me ba no dey ko bia beka say on to me for failing court.
Me ba
bail conditions.
Na say judge pronounce the conditions na. Judge on the correct.
There be the narrative and they say your money bill no government refuses to allow the processes to work. The lawyers the car government are refusing.
But Jackson two way say obi lawyer can submit ya. No be say no. As so muken enye fair to the factor. Ya ka say we lawyers inti do make na yes ah. And the other side and say me Kopim say ye bedi obi asem say ye mra ne kire say ye fa ne say we innocent and one but ye we ye fiade bi me twu adwene so wo de won ko ho no hwe this case obi papa obi breadwinner but e do baby no nipa no condition o metie no ye sympathize with ono than nipa na police for and as a prosecution, so nobody is talking about the victim. Rather, no, you're sympathizing with suspect now on meet conditions. Obia, Wabusiani, ya Jenenkwa, a friend in some. Ya. Me feel like you can't cast him, Missy.
A patroti. Nina Muna, a judge for any parliament. Nina Jatum say, every crime is bailable. Condition is be a we flight risk. Nipa kro no ye nse da nim ba bia wote. Ye ja no a wode ho kangura that will be the end. Sa condition we na was prosecution edit to judge anim. Ni etimi assess the veracity of that claim by the prosecution. When to me enyina court mfiu. Enti obama substantial reasonings and nti court man bail enye. But court man bail no, the condition mean not sure say court to be outrageous bail conditioner. What mean meeting? And that's another good that day. But the narrative.
Now, Jackson, ejna asemna offense kone edi abo mun bail conditions.
And I make say
this is the case. I am murder case.
And I make say murder case, murder murder. Obiani, but the murder case no so I travel for some level of years. And I could do court in Pempenso. And by human rights. Conditions in tea. And Ghana, ye repeal of the criminal libel law, no one's and 17 crime law, we criminal code, no one's and 17. Yes, say, some are people in the court. Every bail, every crime is bailable. It is some running better, and not court to General Somano, Sa Aqueniano, MPP are buying. This is a known fact. Now, I'm proceeding. Now, me want say MPP mumu beka say judicial. Me ma another example. Ye ka judicial kapo for nipa de anka womo digana dem. Hwe wo madam na do ye clandestinely. Wɔhunahuna court ni nyinaa ma court ni nyinaa, especially the high court. Ɛma high court no wɔn suro. Wɔbi atimi mmɔ nipa bi a wɔyɛ associated with MPP court, high court ntimi nka wɔn asɛm.
Ɛwɔ ɔman bi.
Yes, mema example. Meba meka no amatu mmere ma chiesie. Canada Japan timi tena ni TV so. Aka kyerɛ judge bi say I will deal with you, that stupid judge. Ọkasa asɛm ni wie yɛ adeɛ kyen judge no yɛ transfer na free case no so. Ɛyɛ obi anim sɛm.
Ɛyɛ transfer free case no so sɛ.
Case no judge na case no sɛm.
Nti no ɛyɛ that honorable Kennedy Japan asɛm no nti ɛna yɛ transfer judge ni free.
Yes.
Why am I that reason?
Also one am that reason. The enim say we did the judge atem. Etu did the judge atem wa.
Evidence.
Evidence is
it. Give us a
Jackson, Debbie Amekasa Jackson. And yet Debbie and ye better how.
Okay, no one.
Uti meba.
So do you know the reason? That is my understanding.
It's not
no. Once I was to mommy, yes, me
judges, on condition of sense. One more power. Yes, state. So at any given time, baby, your service. Here be no Chief Justice. I will quite so transfer. And to member can't me say, and you will be asking me mechanism because NCN transfer. Yes, no on it. Was it the only judge not to be? What happened to Kenny Japan? Judge him, remember? Yeah, come on, one of the judges and one of the judges and you from my way. And yeah, people are by Yanti Pomana, we tell me, MPP matters of way. Ebora home judge anu wanyem edani fa table ase na wabu ban po no akwa so go free no po gina mra ni mu ade na ye wo mo yeso mo ko 2008 no mo nko ye ka obi a wodi judicial system atwitwi form a ene ye MPP mate okay
ni ato so na me de manu asem asie na ka wada sa ja wo ban mu nti no me de manu asie case ba ku si between former IGP Asantia Pietu any kwakwanan anu oye adwuma Kennedy Japan kroya o e wona tu omunya case judge no sitting high court judge o osuro mama source of the case source of the case high court judge isuro any uko modernghana.com edaho 13 December 2021 13 December 2021 heading in here former IGP discontinue Kweku announced case after judge warning. Now go into the substance maminka kakana radie I say this comes at the back of the comment by the presiding High Court judge, Eko Bedin J, that lawyer for the ex-IGP did not know the people they were dealing with. Judge, I will be the motion, but to win motion about so be to raise your objection. The motion is absorbed. The motion is what? Agreed by the court. Is granted by the court. Now, Judge Ibe Buasem Nanko for Omu Makoto. We're going to lawyers. Omu Makot. Anna, Omu procedure assembly, some sort of court now Makoto. And not just assembly. Ye the Yakodu Babina from the motion between. Ye Bama motion, Judge Amaboni Dean, Judge Bedin, High Court Judge. Otia Samsu Kache, Kwekwana say, or Kache Asantia Pietu, former IGP. The lawyers say. Na montempa mo penamaji judgment ama mo client no mo ho premo mo ni mo nkrofo kra mo ni mo ndili no
Martin
in this case no me mpese mama ruling na omo who are those omo eba court enemy ruling. So this is how devastating the MPP did to the Ghana Judicial Service.
Martin
ntina se tu kono ya de bi ni e famra kwaso ni akasam ni de hye wa ye adwuma wo mo ahuri be ka se obi eje judicial table ni wo mo ana ebu court animtia e wo my Ghana mu under the Fourth Republic.
Jackson Medasi. Prof.
Mami.
Bacho Bremo.
Mami ncha na ncha te for so bi.
Te for say mo oniso ka.
Ncha te for bi same. Anabo mfia. Oni anabo mfia. Anabo mfia. Zuba. Anabo mfia. Masa, krom ha. Ana kaya no, we don't live in a jungle. Yan team room. Yeah, but they say democracy, not democracy. And this is for one very careful. This country does not belong to Muhammad and NDC. You should understand that. Masa, Ghana ha. Yanya go krom ha. Democracy in the Fourth Republic over 3 decades. I see a protected. Sami NDC. Omo debate democracy. Maybe omo de yakono. Ya anya careful. This democracy cannot survive. Sami, and I'm worried. Yan tina ho ema mo democracy no mo ma enim en conform. We won't allow you because mo ye one it is in parliament. Mo win election overwhelmingly. This majoritarian tyranny will not be allowed to continue. This majoritarian tyranny will not be allowed to continue. I want to control myself because you see, Ghana hakumase ha. Otumfo said to two. Also, you crew. Now, Obeka said, Mayor say,
oh, no, they were patcho.
What's saying?
Oh, no, so a patcho.
Oh, but you see, you don't reinforce Adia any. As no kind no song. Anka Omampeni Mahama, Edona Juma, Edoma Ghana, Anka Zuba, Uncle So Enemeya. You are coming to beat people. The mama said, Babunipa. Now, Uncle, you see, Yamabuya, and Uncle Suda for no, me. What are you talking about? And what's your own ferry? Say, oh, support to Zuba. Say, Omo, Yamamani Papa Indian, Omo Buomo. Hey, now, where are our laws? And Rana Edibu Omano, where are they? You don't say certain things. I'm sure and some of them people behind the scenes were begging for him. Albert Jack said, who support it? And I don't think Zuba is a happy person for making that comment. I just Yenina Santuma Dinini. You saw Yeni wo Masia Same phobia na ya. Continuous time before Pataso. Same those times no fear stamp but now Nam in Muma, Africa Bangalo. Every place was very nice. Nako said my Mia. May so rest in peace. Yeah, but see I come back to that stage no. And yet my bo and yet kabin sem. Some here. And this is for they will go back to position. Well, almost 2017 reform electoral investigation committee report no. Mishima issue as one normal canon. I am call opposition and I'm starting no. And for some reasons, and this is for me, as a guy, they do things anyhow. Me say, Chief Justice, at Ghana, Chemi Bonia Mamena Aye, we live here. Woman and a Juma, young woman, very intelligent, brilliant. And John and NDC will not protect this woman. Oh, sakini because I could find the appointing. That is despicable. So I'm saying there was a program, a conference center, Africa Political Parties Initiative. NDC for Mama was the keynote speaker. When I'm representing Yakokosno. And somehow John Mahama on that day, he is doing directly the opposite. Okay, I say Ghana, or South Africa, set a party winner power. They come and they reverse. They come and intimidate and undermine others. And that Salman will see the Jai, he's doing the opposite. Sammy, we are the report come out from the market. It's on my phone. Okay, A, no, ye B. Echo election. Or can say we need a new chief justice. Samewanga. Or see a new chief justice. Mami no lawyers of the NDC.
I will vote out.
And then boy na mami na here. You just want to kick the woman out? Mr. This is the first time in our fourth Republican era they suspended the chief justice. A bit see that. Now this is three. And that Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah.
No, remove Akoko Costa because Kumbuku bomb a case no
ruling.
Nipa Miensan from CBP were acquitted. You will feel. Until one back of some down. Jomahama ucha esaboni. Na omo ame no yodo me say Sami mark it today. John Mahama for me is the worst president under the fourth Republican era, and he will continue as the worst. Now by my penny 4 months, you've done nothing. The one you say, and no man could for the year. Mobile for Mojuma, we are dismissing them. We are reversing almost everything. Woman. And petition, no, Sami Maridi B. And the issues raised, no, they are laughable, they are ridiculous. No legs to stand on, no basis. So John Mahama or democracy, Anka Nisaka Edo, Sami, no pursue. They are frivolous. Sami, one of them, or say, on your case, panel of 5, no?
5 judges.
As almost mistreating or something. Now, Supreme Court decision, assuming they even mistreated you or maltreated you, why do you single out the woman? Why do you do that? No, I'm 5. What about the rest? Just pure hatred and dislike for the woman, and this must stop. And the same person, as I can say, on your court record. The court record, no, mama the same. Mama no, on the registry. There's a registry. Open your court document. That's where you go and get them. And as well, I say there is nothing strong in that. Then one Daniel about woman no travel. Say we misappropriated funds.
So I'm say or the neba and then kunu.
Sami, already the policy on travel at the judiciary. Almost established in 2010. When 19 woman no what opportunity to travel on two different occasions. It be not more than 14 days. Either a new crew or a relative. The ban on any relative now. Sami woman no be so.
So say or you entitled to my kind hono. Make kind ibuza say at least chief justice baby would do no. Say on you entitled to her or no on her own savings. Obetime nyeska e dia konti ade ntro be busa amra no because na be busa because my radio am say ba akoye ne ba
ana ne ku
na onye eya onye entitled for
Sami aduma bia office bia e won entitlements privileges any privilege na man pedi mahama otukwan ya only pay them.
Oh, why not? So
on any yin tukwan.
Yeah.
And the people that come to office, Speaker of Parliament, the same thing. The 3 arms of government, they are privileges. You get some benefits.
Maybe so. Based on Nippon petition, so should we take it say? Jackson Bessa, what do you mean? Young fan say so. Speaker of Parliament, or two choir, say a annual leave, say program be a woko. Ultimately, ne ananikum.
Yes.
Ultimately, neba.
Sami, the point I say,
ultimately neba kam e komeboa.
Yes.
Meboa.
Yes.
And the president su two choir. Ultimately ne yere. And an
privilege.
So judiciary there. we chief justice so ya bema so ya oba unkwa na we entitled to sa name based on the petition me say nyina ya fa ana mebo we there meba we nya yibia just me sabi me busa asama say abawu
minia me busa abawu you see me answer so ma me kwan be 30 seconds aka be me de wadaroma okay dem kakra
okay
I've said it say what MPP ba power would it to me atata unia bia no be rest assured say nipa ko no come after you and I want to so NDC aba power they be am kind of fidie so why you say would the NDC better ata obi ema ni nka no that to me is sir nipa ko no will come after you me see what say say one say me ba ye me discuss the merits
I understand but na uni anopa me anopa petition na ba me but say menya training nyina
sure
menya training nyina na ho no me hu say o ma calculate sika na air ticket ne ba ene niku ana nti tio me tell them say so 3 arms of government president to kwaya obetuma fa ne ma ne yere you don't expect the president in the bottom sika betua and a parliament so abamba no tu kwanya abamba obi oba occupy bia so the chief justice there ni kunu na
ba won make this allegation no ne nti aminwa wadaroma minka petition no ingredients e wo mu no because e betimi aba say e din say here nja to so e betimi aye no kure ba mi tina say
atwa me wo me bo based on saade no ka wo say any one condition of service I can't know one so
we ke be me one ba
because chief justice pass utu kwan wo yere ana ukunu ana wo ba ayino
utimi fa dem to kwan me de ke be bi one we be me one but that's what I'm saying that omo etu petition no woman na nko omo ground for the apple maybe as no ha yenim
anyway match it
problem me na chiri ma but minya beni wadaroma it minya beni ka say your mama the bed the west name one because otina emremu na oye hyehyeye the man ankomoni de ne say ye the kwadu no tentam na tentam wa constitution say the president shall revoke
the would marry quintia among for so more gains said dear and yet yes a party MPP NDC nipa bi bre twese ame so me twese atie o yes a kramaya ohua one cow
unfinishing
because opposition and I was say some judiciary betima ye here oh ye new chief justice
na be back so be
meba so ubusa say ne enti amam for twese now after few months ya to aba wo buy house petition aba enti dia na chesa enye ne opran ye no ana wo ye
petition aba na wo wura
okay and
petition enti say
the petition obi abetima nya bi
onam chesa petition e wo wura
okay
enti say ne omo de come say lo say obi ansan
yaje prof
problem by Article 296 of the Constitution. I say, make kind A and B. I say, where in this Constitution or in any other law, discretionary power is vested in any person or authority. A. That discretionary power shall be deemed to imply a duty to be fair and candid. Samuti. Be fair and candid. B. The exercise of the discretionary power shall not be arbitrary, capricious, or biased, either by resentment, prejudice, or personal dislike, and shall be in accordance with the purposes of law. Sammy, me say, Mamma, they just wanted to take help. That's it. And to unpaid reasons. And thankfully, reason there, Bano, Sammy, in soon, they don't have any weight. And petitioner, Daniel, also, apart from as someone from Mamma, Sammy, if you couple no Chief Justice, or so to Kwanya, they pay them. Uncle Bissau,
Omwana,
it is procedural. They know. Sammy, how much the Osabeka,
depending on
the calculation, I'm not by amount, number of days, distance, not how much is it, we now be. Mameno didn't force them to do that. So what is the point? What is the point? And it's for propaganda. Now they are trying to woman no some good anymore. But see, the woman has exposed them. Number two, Daniel Saka said, woman no two kind. One of the travels. Or buy no. I could have impress. So I don't put two kind. Your mom be something you buy. Yes. Or say woman no or buy no one county. But woman also had demonstrated with exhibits. Say $14,000 no, or spend about $4,000. Or buy a that thing no, and there. Oh yeah. So this is baseless. What can try to mamno super mete samiden fi asempa. And the way he was happy on this, ma ye come no say no kwa bia nim. Oh ma can a bad name just to hang. That is not fair. Me say Sami or say anything democracy no. Maybe I kono how true. And it's from there quite too much. And they on turn no. Why do you do that? Sami, yen me say we must and I Professor Ajimadua. Or see the Mahama a reputational damage judiciary and to the country. Sami time. Me say Mahama paid Dimbapa. Onyai, you shouldn't proceed. Politics, people push you because him. Woman or young a be ache a bench or on the chief justice. And you man connect that is a matter of
Supreme Court of Chief Justice.
Oh, no, I'm saying that there are some already who are there.
And I make say, I don't just say what we are Supreme Court judge in teaching I was Chief Justice.
And I'm saying, because I will go to my area now. I can't even fear 2 or 3 days. My miss over check. Now,
what can we fear train? Answer now, but if you know my uncle retirement, how much you chief justice?
Entino, me post this, I say. And this is for the Bahama when I now proceed on this.
That's all.
Sammy, yeah, and so on you. Enter home. We will fight this. We will fight this. We will resist it. I'm telling you. Say Parliament. Somebody was saying, but this country does not belong to only the legislature. For the Ghanaian people, Sammy, we will be on the streets. We will let the whole world know that there is injustice and affront to our constitution. We won't allow that. Sammy, Sammy, and this is for this bravado. Kakabin seminar, they should stop it. Judicial tyranny. Now, I say a good idea then. Or me say, and now Kufado and the High Court justices. It's never true. There's nowhere in this country, and now Kufado, an astute lawyer, he never did that. He never ever did that. Let me show. Say, Omampeni Mahama. Ye na die. Na se unya kodro en kanche say. John Dramani Mahama. Omampeni. Dia oye no enye jaya. Masa, don't bring Nana Akufo-Addo in. That is not that's all right. Sami, okay. Me nyaka check. Who say me edin mba kasai?
Okay.
Sami, related to this matter, there are also Tamlet Teaching Hospital. Sami,
I can't do.
And this is for Emrano. Sami, Emra and the Dibo Mayon. Said health minister enya to me ben and or was Bohobio biedi. Yamra be the womb.
Na.
Some message Yamra be the womb said health minister can do this. Me ba.
Opportunity. Oba, yenyi chief justice in Yabaka Sassimo. Many problems. Yeah, Yabaka because public domain. Because minister, as some see, at least every committee near the other. Now, you know, answer me, you or my benukra, or no appointed crowd that time then or consultant was me, you would. Qualities, more you, Jackson.
Sammy.
Jackson.
President.
Jackson.
Yeah, not careful.
Jackson. You. Oh, bravo, Obi. Nine so be. Now, be brain. Ayekwa. The sanity we anka we because only say chief executive fum e bia na asem nya da ye wo kwae fa so a odi be yi dedi wonti me nyina ho je ye dey microphone say me yi dedi e wona ai how do you do that? You can't do it because on man penyin na sign letter at the mass chief executive.
Yes.
And at time assembly see no o man penyin kasa time ben and o say yi dedi
asa nya asem we ni ka ne
o de so say be come asem me dey go na for amnesty
dia but I comment me akota tangentials but what I want say no say good end dealing with way let's get chief just
news my anya
Sami questions on
Sami no mami conclude on this okay Sami che Omega na o si etumpo koyo ni Sami say on person mo chen say state independent institutions like the judiciary, Sami, say the tenure of Omwa dear Nimno, a year coterminous with act of the president Omo Kanchen.
So the
yes, Sami.
I'm seeing that.
A time is coming in this country. Yes. Sami, in this country, I'm not careful. Omo be appointment on ye. Obia wabeng. Obia oye unique. I bet me abomo mana tumpo no. Sami only because when him say different regime eba on bin. Sami, is that what we want? Me no me opinion. Sami, I'm exposed. I'm politically exposed. But a time will come I be a politician. Yeah. But the point is that my knowledge will still be needed. Yenai this hate and dislike in over parliament. We are friends. And then say Akufado Jomahama Eko Akufado. Look at it. How beautiful it was. But when it comes to Bibi say na amount for Shawase Jomahama you say. Okay say Tama John Mills Abel Mampeni. Why
Georgina Wood.
Pressure was on him to want Sami, me so why then want me dear adebia ye be affect the democrat because me no a politicians and ne BBC na say suspend your constitution now. Me no you back what
Mama ko tie ai Mr. Yadom watching na me so meka asendi afa enema bi a o man Ghana ye so ne ya hwe yi a etene a sa ku makers na ye gigi wo so Burkina ne man ma dwene sa asem wo menti ase da because ye hwe yi o ya to aba ma obi soja ni bi asore anye na dwuma wakoto aban na gu yes so ne so o Ghana ha. Yes, son so. You. Yes, son so. Oh dear. Yes, son so. Obedient.
Sammy. Yeah. May I disagree with you?
Okay.
Who had the politicians say yan wo man yimu a de o Burkina de o ye na fa be.
You.
The idea be na answer
you. So what?
Sammy tie.
Jackson. What it means, I hope I say your democracy, you said that for me.
Oh, the only thing I'll buy as obi
watch it. Tiasma make tea.
Minty because me would say I've got all Burkina. So I am many what $1 million.
Another the two from them.
Oh, I had the yes, I didn't say can be an offer ready. I had
Yeah, fan on 20 and quiet topics. So I can't say I didn't ready that part. Aye.
She no reason tia. Sa countries now was.
Aye.
Se ubusa se ye kasi ye school dan ni etwa oh ai leader na ye say how many years accountability be no wo ye procurement wo ko ye ya hwan gba the challenge so what way so ubusa ye don ba chene ye the Ghana presidency asawonsa now what wo ye judiciary wo no control parliament ko ani ho e dey na wo ntimi nye Aya bo me nhwe ni yo yensusu
just sao me ya papa de beka yo se soja ni be transfer no ya papa de beka
okay
me me democracy aso aga de kro a soja ni ti so a o ya de pa ya beka so o ya de pa me support ku for de pa me o ya de pa me say ya ari ti na mbese ka so ya
crofo a won tie ti o mo fa ahudi okuro nu
na ya high cry ye wo constitutional administration woni mu crofo a politicians tie o mo
na
dem sa me bien kai asa ma ye mfa ho kra ho de me mfa ho kra me mfa ho sa me ti Libya na gada fi be ma me ho atomi a na me ti constitutional regime ase na me ho ba kire me a de he na me prefer wo de he na be prefer enti ho de ma mo me ye mfa nko ho kra sa me o saje fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah wo yi Chief Justice Akuku Asadi 1963 san wonim san no ano no e ka ni mfie edi ni mfie sa ni yi Yen 1966 ya ni. Ye constitution bi wo ho a ye ntache ne rofrofu. Ye ntache ne basabasa sa o. Say the only institution we Ghanaian ordinary Ghanaians ya ye maye ni so a ye hunu say ye wo judiciary. Look at what is happening to our Chief Justice and you think it is the best. And even look at what happened to the Speaker of Parliament just before the elections. Me idea Speaker of Parliament here you know man who body bia won but look at the way it did na tem e wo krumu ha wanya boni bia say sa nipa for no sa for MPs no cast where you imagine nya boni na o party ugina na so aba parliament so e ja party na
o be say debate size
you ti ko ko eden
o be say debate size
o da bi ko da man kama me ka fa ho enti ekwan bi nipa bi de chief Speaker of Parliament fa so na nye ekwan bi ananso nipa bi person the Chief Justice fa so enya even though we are in constitutional regime enya some the Americans say before say me bebe me read petitions ni bia come ba akokra de o say Speaker of Parliament asem American ya kan Chief Justice fa so dia
ruling
meanwhile it is in our constitution that judges are supposed to judge cases according to their conscience.
And
you have every opportunity to ask for a review. Now, Chief Justice on one idea. No man, any penny.
Five judges.
And on what basis now to a petition? Now, Obin so actually a petition said Chief Justice here to kind or the new Kunan back or Mapo Ghana continue to now, President won't to kind for a man. Speaker of Parliament wonye bi Vice President ya onokra ni dinamba yi no so ayam to abama o tu kwa wonti mfa ne kunu na man ka so on what basis na Speaker Chief Justice yi tu kwa no de kunu na ba ko na Ghana ye bo ho kakakra eno mfomso be na ewo ho na ba akokra de ono se de prof kan or cite case about ono an personal case bia ye diti a no ntie nye Chief Justice ye and you say ke yi judge
and so 5 judges only one judge in a trust 5 judges in a trust are cases
na ayeme nwanwa pa sesa minim se bi ka ho a me de we mi ansa
three petitions
yes bi mienu bi ada ha na 5 na no de mi
no grounds no doors no
doors
me se ni nyina
aye bebre ba ni nyina na aye frivolous
frivolous
so we ne mi ansa me de ma hu na sesa abi ansa we pa dia. Now, I wonder how a council of state of about 34 members could advise the president.
So fire Kufuado and take part or abstaining.
I mean, council of state, ya wo ko ye adwuma Ghana. Timi advises president say asem we koso.
But you would trust the council of state and you will if you would trust
I have not been trusted
because the president,
but at least we dear. I was able to mampani for some way dear some way dear mampani asem we nya asem we gina so yi Chief Justice you enya kwada enya me teacher ne am kuta talk to gina board me go be media so
na former Speaker of Parliament
former Speaker of Parliament
stay
Even the party line, all the told the party line.
Samiti. Sɛ me ne ɔmampani a nkasɛm wei baa m'anim no, after Chief Justice your friend Sakuko Sadia, a whole lot of petitions have been raised against
almost every Chief Justice. Almost every Chief Justice.
Because we the nyasa mo ya de opani sa wan hwe ya ko send a record ya kra ya nkwada ya go school no prof ya ma suspension na try whole letter near the 2 file so 30 years term bi kra na about in minister ya be hwe file so ni hu so go school ya suspended wa o minister don but Adam sami onim shout or said there no onim the case no or determine whether the petition has a own background established.
So far Yakufu.
Yes.
So far Yakufu.
On the chance so no who say yes.
Yeah. So far Yakufu.
But in this case,
of me person member because no so no. Eye moa nipa miensa. Ena moa mo ku. Me ne Mr. Yadon Wachi. The deputies. Ena just say ena ya accused me say wo wi ase wo so why you say. Ena mo de koy.
As I can me say. On no shout said there no. On that.
So far Yakufu na ere.
Ena
wait, one take part to.
No, me say. I didn't hear because so there no. On the time so who say there were grounds. But we know I'm told she abstained. Because I didn't hear because who say enya so bia ni.
Oh yeah, I was saying.
Chief Justice. But some mama nkoso. Me dey say me ne president ya nkasem we dey nkafiti ase na nka bia me boagu se ma ma ngu fiti ase na akora mpo na me ma ne pass through the process na me set up committee no nom de ba ada say report me je atoko a me ate on it no so president obetimi ayesa obi a enye wo hwe or better still nkasem no koso no kura ka me suspend the Chief Justice me na ye na adwuma because me who says sem no ebuje drusa but baby apart from say we cast away campaign or cast Chief Justice we obo no baby ma president in the party man nyina pushie no say onye saa no Chief Justice na nkasa a Vincent Asifua and Agofred Dami say any parliamentarians they were not smart to me personally me feel say anya smart because say Chief Justice ho asem aba no be the assembly court against issues against the Chief Justice now. Can say someone more frontliners of a particular party and I was say with the enemy. Come on, more ordinary person be to say you no be you say you independent you cry yes so called yes so
but that case you determine baby
what
interpretation or what call
tie me kasem say what the nkakotite obi achi what say assembly by am say we ni ba oba what kotite assembly ma bi achi no say fa court say assembly my license me anto okwa we di be mon kotite obi achi ordinary person now and ko obi abi who say hey ordinary person na dia assembly we ya ba court e dia say Chief Justice he has the your friend say or sympathy of ordinary citizens.
There is also a private person.
We know, but we Vincent as if we be any joy.
Mr. Yagamat,
I'm to us.
I'm me my own fruit, and never know me my own fruit. O crab bokena for now so much.
I don't mean either.
Me my own fruit. Bokena for you.
Obi o mani pass me turn on here. Me ni boni ayeda. Tie. Samiti. Ena Godfrey Dami, immediate past attorney general. One Vincent Asifua lawyer. Ena ma me no anka catch from say me ho asem na mdo ikokoto munya manyini metimi akasa ma me ho. Wo say Bible me ye frɛ Pharisee fo no ma Yesu sa abofra bi yare nani. Ho na Pharisee fo na frɛ ne ma me ne papa wo de wo ko to asem
akwa no nyi.
Ena mama ena o say yes ramu yeni mu ho ye ba no yeni mi say wo no ne ne fra akwan ye fa so na ne ti ye de yeni mu
wanyi ono abeti nakasa
enti ka Chief Justice ka stop wo mo na ka Chief Justice
by law Chief Justice want to tie e constitutional ade na no mo pe enti me ameti we me time a omu initiate sai na ka me Sir Jackson ye lawyer me hu Sir Jackson what challenge corporate interpretation Chief Justice enti me on top obi because on new for on one on you.
And yes, stop it. Say me jina mra kwa so na dey stop o. Advice. Morally.
Na advice na friend.
Mo fa me ko me ntra madwene. Say madwene nti na ma be free ya ba. Me oh, they may train and say, "Send me, I send me money. Let just say so. They are saying no, cockroach. Make me a Kajaziminia.
Interpretation.
So,
interpretation of
interpretation. Yeah. I know I'm a president in the end this for no a buafua and into a president because I said, maybe one said issues are so frivolous to say, and from a penny also about 20 and bread and butter issues. What by pine ben any party 2 million, my first with it, and none was all again. Quick issue. So, anti, media to me personally, me did this. And woman no near my own year, and so I'm what the cause of Chief Justice. I'm walking and cause of 2 or more book runners, and no, a burning was say, your only hope is the committee of 5. Me, I do believe that the committee of 5 will do a decent job. Now, or more to me about woman penny and market and some way, yeah, petitioners and the day bomb my many dear. Yamini ni pedi say me kra na wo yi no afiri ode me abaye Chief Justice kra no we nko ade o mampani mpacho ensem we nyansam a egina so eyi o mampani efiri ho enti me de me gidi say suspension de yamini ni pedi habi me ka say hami anambo what say ni pan record wa bro nya ebo ni bia unya suspended ne tawo china sa resenti no kra no na ni mo nyam so ati but if you don't such company man or so justice is me no I have do a committee no so e bia na committee is trans na Chief Justice amu mo bi asa mo nkoye ho ade no mo koye ye ti o mampani akoye committee we ana ye ti Chief Justice akoye na de enti e bia no ti na o mso won tena se kakra na ye hwe se be ya conflict of interest bia me nka suspension de honestly no
article 146 no de ema Omampani the right to do that, but the point
which men can't Omampani but me just na come in
Mr. Yadamati me bisa asem ba ko niema ekwi o hwe future say na bezi aye
na me dey kan say
I'm not looking at say dia maame na go but me hwe say sa arm of government wo ka say si ano parliament failure executive failure yeah
we are looking up to
you don't kobia say na some politicians let me Chief Justice wo ne bottom
na make say sa
we see no kwa dachi NDC adon beko opposition Chief Justice they will do it we are not looking at say see as obi your friend of mine na so ye hwe ye nim
so enti
ye hwe ye nim going forward
o mampani na na do no mo de na no mo ye fa your friends say Sharoto say they never thought said that BBC beba ke bia kan kran ko bi jai so amunu na we ya yodum o mampani ne kan de council of state committee o mje o nyina beboa ye be pama me no obekọ mani ni machirasa eno nyina ka hu bi na Burkina de no ka me defend no so all these unfair practices in the system. No, they say constitution on my year use one. Virtually, most of the clauses in it are outmoded, archaic. Why? And a baby wami assessment because of mampani bi aba. O my no moves to me na constitution in the channels. Now what have me constitutional review aye juma Wokwa ya to abati anakwa ya de obeba onso wonya ma ya na ozo meye constitutional review constitution ya besesa na yema ni bi onso betena aso a na ohunu se ensem a wo mu no enjoy no onso bi enti why na bebo am answer constitution
me tell you how can I say because we have
the constitution be yaduma ama man panimfo abetwale with all our institutions woni se menua Stephen Kwakosu obi a wa kira dem ne nyina kira dem from class 1 say JSS SHS wa namusa no abeye deputy director general of Ghana Education Service woni say na yayi na firo
wa rising through the ranks
when nya political appointment you or rising through the ranks say dey rising abedu deputy director here so and now omampani ba yayi director general firi ho
yes on your political
director general political appointment
obi a rising through the ranks
yakwa deputy director general of Ghana Education Service yayi na firi ho ayi nyina ya to
me nwade bi
That be man to grab it. People say no say kwaku na ade. Also almost one be mame. Omo be mame appointment for ministry or be every assignment.
The way our reason.
Nipa wa be se na nan. Ayi obi a ono ye professor wa poli o. Na dim so person kira de wo. Wo person be di GS post wa. E ka ko ye poli adwuma. Enti ye wo GS no mu no a ye de ya no GS no mu arise ya de ye mu bi be ye that deputy director general na director general ye de mfata ye.
Mr. Wache, what's my work?
E so me bi wo ha ye ka sa me mo me nka o. Na nya o.
Eye, waka bi ejai. Tie, sa de a wo kai. Me mehu na nsia ne me bi ekokoso. Na me yema sin. E ba ko na wo ka. Me ni problem. Obi a political president na appoint obi a. You don't have any business to complain. You have any problem there. Apart from constitutional bodies. But see how we know. Now appointment. Yes, a congratulations. Here you to social media. Office of the president. When the appointment grow. Public affairs director. Ebia institution way. Then you check. Say obi or why year 20 years. 30 years. 30 years. Yeah, you the film. And you the fly social media. Party because any political appointment. PRs, various obi aye adwuma ebi kura Warren style obi o ha May style who had your mama time. And you know enye wa rise through. Na say guy bi ti akra, me person me boni din kra. O siso oko forestry commission na chief executive na enfi no adan a na obi buza na ka me cause ke be ma me PR and I'm say anti guys eye adwuma for 20 something years as a PR. No, you no party being appointed. And to me who say corporate affairs director, congratulations, they am the ex OGW. Ada o party be confie na. Na bo ankasa no. Na so because unacceptable. Unacceptable. Me so say na
me ma ye adwuma 28 years. Na yes. Yes, me na me deputy director general Ghana. Enya political. It has nothing to do with politics. Obayana where you and I'm so old to me. And this our constitution way. See I never be na kwoswa yes ya. Enti samia ye.
And me was some back we
come. Nyabotre I mean say what appeal to the host. Say me who mobo a. Enti nyabotre o microphone come do no.
Because now
power was for the sake of many young people because Jackson would way may fight say why you juma I'm an MDC party. I also know I will say them I don't have any problem but the brother says opposition be any political near the work
you will be near the work now you're there. Near congratulate you on social media.
Social media congratulations.
Are you in fan? Make sure I fire man for infant.
Oh, I fire.
You're telling come.
Okay. Mini pass of fire.
Manager. Now no political appointment.
Na no.
I know me
Ghana will never be the same. So far as this constitution remains, because issues now.
Say thank God because of technology. Until omo defend the way. That ye be do omo. Complaining.
Because me party be me support no ba. No say me person kwaya director general of the years. I make sure say me nduru ho. Mama mfa ma me ansa. E bia a meduru no. E director mfa director mama. Na kire no me rise na nduru ho a wo de ama me. Na wo ko you de wo ho firi ho. Na de me mako. Mama wo kira de opoli. Poli KGS professor of Poli. Upon one, yet now service Cassia Power. You say, that Ghana education no idea. The parliament 2 young one. No starting from the start of flu. A yard. The party conscience. The party I am for the day.
The party ama.
Me but
okay, me da.
Congratulations. Yes.
Other one.
Yeah, bro.
Me but you. I am me. Someone working. You can make one swa. But if you failed the previous days, to reprimand. You cannot do same today. And you're trained kuna ni bede ni. Sansa a train me nusre egu apaswa. Ye ni baako ano enya baako. Na mpanyifo aka na santifo nwoma tire baako yimu miensa. Ese Pajomento aso. Asantefo nwoma tire baako yimu miensa.
Eni asantefo nwoma bia.
No dey once na be, do dey abi dey be fie. Ono ana dey once na ba ye.
Na Jackson me dey make asa o.
Me bakasa o dey make asa wa.
Me be di madam.
Who I've grown to respect and admire you for that.
MPP for no nya band no den wa.
Omo se makaka se enukure mu pa no ala nanka duru no so mo fa ma.
Minia panyi Stabuachi Wadaroma. Tell me kase verse 3 ni kwa na me de no. Verse 3 asante fongo ma verse 3 na me de no. So what you say? Nya da buro ba kan one e dey trimode ayemo nwono ba. Sa enema we sha ase a na MPP na ya. So when you obi to say Mr. Yadon Boachi a yen media emoja ema government nani mane wo so. Nsem amuken se me kwa na medu sa level na de be hye manimu aba me ya. President Kufuor started sa de we bra oba ye. Wodi nkofo hye mu na fe close afọ ne ntokwa no sa appoint ti die or appoint special aid e ma ne Kufuor. Na nsan na na do be koi. Mo ante se clocks afọ say wo ma je ohun juma de am appointees. Sa nyama na ekoso no na e wodache.
Be Jackson eh.
Me ba me say ye ka ye awase ye condemn one ma ban ni jai na mayensa na wa man chirima any future government. Ba MPP ya no obi ayedi.
Anya obi ade ye di sa.
MPP ya na nipa dodo na ayedi. Let me put it that way. But me can say
Jackson. Time I MPP last year beto aba. Galamsey ana ekoso. Ye nyina
me can appointment ho asem today
no me dey example
wo dey wo Galamsey wo kan ho asem bi wa ha me ka asem we e fa no appointment no ho asem ana me say MPP aye sa nyema we mi amama ti hu ho ye bebre sa it becomes a norm. Enti no obi pen so no so better fi hu bi na abaka se entere wo do ba no obu nu egu afu no aye no enjoy obi ba as good governance tit for tat near dey call
okay
tit for tat.
Mate.
Oh, eye for eye. Yes.
We make the whole head go.
Na be kan say, wo jaye, that's one no ye kan. Say MPP ba da chia. Wonu de di kan be touch a constitutional body. Eye electoral commission. One can be say, one bomb to know how can you present a petition without being signed?
Three arms of government will be from fourth republic will be no our touch.
And the constitutional body be say electoral commission.
It is never true. It is never true.
Obi atu no da. What na do say go tell patcho me no snack and
okay, what that one say. No, just quick one. Sami, say you do sort of say there no. Now me say me call details. But you see no crap me ba no crap back
okay. NCC. Okay, NCC boss. NCC. What do you mean? What do you mean? Former president. Because yes, there was a petition.
Oh no,
petition if it has merit. Why not?
And America just a constitutional body now. And yes,
it can plunge this country into uncontrollable chaos. Now, so now the require. All castle dog. 1 minute,
Sammy, Emiya. Me also dream me. Say Minya Jackson. Ekase tit for tat. That should be the norm in this country. Sammy, with this mindset, no, Ghana, yanko bebia. And I'm can say, John Mahama Ebekawo Conference Center. As my all cut the tit for tat, no, or say a idea, or say Ghana, Africa, so that this country can make progress. And the same thing, and or don't know kind of all kind different thing against how the man said. So I say you should buy no. And okay, no okay woman. The petition I call on my opinion no. Na from staff. Staff of the commission. The person na odi no. Na your friend of forcing and powerful. From Mr. Friend of forcing and powerful. From see on the staff and on the petition na call. That meba. Issues now. Omorezi you know. Border on procurement breaches. Shall I say I request for petition no. Nisa kai or respond on August I admit in the petition no before the Chief Justice of Sophia Akufo said na onim said I was say I can follow those procedures. No. She admitted. Me no the way nya sate na me point say me hu petition no na me read me kan kan na say meritoma the Chief Justice must suffer for it. No. See, now, my whole petition, no. Sammy, my no, me say, me more instances. So, I said, no, I'm not going to admit it. But in this petition, Sammy, you're ready and say, the issues raised against women, they are vexatious, Sammy, they are frivolous, no crabby. Sammy, I'm telling you. So, ultimately, no, and family justify we. There are two different issues, and in law, no, law, no, say, Sammy, the rule of the game, no, evidence. And you can say you try a saboni, and you can say you try, and Sammy, the judiciary, the vanguard. That's the vanguard of our democracy. That is the vanguard of democracy. And you can say, we don't have to do that. And I'm almost down. So I'm a committee of 5 now. Committee of 5 now. Mampeni Aslexium. 2 of them are justices from the Supreme Court. 2. Yeah. I think the chairperson is Palmer. Yeah, Palmer. And 3 others. I'm praying, Sammy. Say their conscience will lead them in this. Me say their conscience should lead them in this. Now, who say the Chief Justice is just a victim of circumstances. And you can say, Omode Adrian and Enfata call that case because of certain considerations. You know, I say a boy that means strengthen the democracy. No, but I mean, they say, almost proceed on this. They will see us on the street. Oh, you protest against this unlawful dismissal. It is completely unfair and unright. And you can say, the conscience of this country, the CSOs, academia, they must start speaking against, this backward, intervention by this administration.
That's it.
No, me 30 seconds, Yeah. Me 30 seconds, they can say, majority of the people in this country are passionate. And in all this, me and come politicians in a body, obey the assumption here. Who said, be banner between these and the MPP? Na yadi, Giabo man, be a slow or Monya Madi, the assumption. Some Mamentia, Brian Champon, MP, our war, Coran Ras and Andrew Sobam, which also be East Cacassia. A boy aircon, no market in Siana. Yes, Yano, me call Bohobio stay. In fact, I heard a Japa, the old boy come up.
Okay,
One second, me say Ghana for any demonstration area, making Senyakon. I'll do a 1-man demonstration against the planned removal of Eva. I'm telling you something. So some airtime. Demonstration. And I'm saying if they proceed on this tangent, because I think in your Sobiani, it's not there.
I don't understand it.
They hate the woman.
Minister Nana so soon. And you made the Yamia Domatis, so I revoke the license of Akunta mining. The air referring who
revoke license now. And so I take at least one backyard. On a quite a consequence.
Anti horse
Mama deputy leader. Who's fired then? I have to work.
The appointed ministers are can it be the master plan to who so do you know he bring our fast money and a TJ Machu. Sorry. Hey, whatever. Iceman is over. Iceman never boy. If you're traveling, I'm traveling. I don't say, but the South Africa for the night. Madam is up for the case. With the Frank Anita, Madam good evening. I was young. Get the woman. I must see. I miss Shamo. Back. You have some sort of family. I miss you. I don't do everything.